Hi, welcome to Look Ahead with Anna. This week it's a celebration for our industry. It's Global Meetings Industry Day on Thursday the 30th of March. And ICCA, which is the International Congress and Convention Association, is promising to take us around the world in 360 minutes. They're going to have industry veterans, so that's 6 speakers from 6 different regions over 6 hours, talking about the latest trends, technologies and perspectives of our industry. So head over to their website and sign up for that free event. There's a new white paper out this week, and it's called Time for DMO-ocracy. So Time for Democracy. It's a great name, and this paper is really one of the biggest studies from tourism that's ever occurred that is looking at research and education on how destinations can create robust and resilient partnerships and relationships with their residents, their businesses, and their communities. There's going to be a lot for us to learn from this. We really are going to find some practical ways to implement some of these ideas into our own destinations. So it's a great resource and, of course, is free for download. You'll find the link in my content. Finally, this week, we're going to talk legacy. So VisitBritain partnered up with Meet for Impact last year to produce the Legacy Toolkit. It's a brilliant downloadable free resource packed full of practical ways to be able to implement legacy into event planning. I'm already starting to see the ripple effects. ICCA Liverpool are hosting an event with Diabetes UK this year and have launched their own Legacy Toolkit, which they'll be using to help get the message from that conference out wide into their community. They'll be working alongside some ambassadors from Club Liverpool and really raising awareness of the condition. And they'll be taking the information that's learnt in the conference to the outside community in and around Liverpool to really help with the understandings of the health implications of diabetes. So as we see legacy spreading, there's a huge amount of case studies out there really giving us some inspiration as to what we can do with our events moving forward. As always, the links to everything I refer to are in my contacts below. I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye-bye.